Did you know that over 2 billion people across the globe are learning English as a second language right now? English is not just a language, it's a bridge connecting diverse cultures and a key to unlocking a world of opportunities. Whether it's advancing in your career, accessing top-tier education, or engaging in enriching cultural exchanges, proficiency in English is a powerful tool. It allows you to interact with ideas and individuals from different backgrounds, expanding your horizons. With such a vast community of learners, mastering English can open doors you never even knew existed. Ever heard the saying, "Readers are leaders"? Well, it holds a treasure trove of truth, especially when it comes to mastering English. Engaging with a wide range of reading materials such as books, newspapers, and articles isn't just about consuming words. It's an adventure in enhancing vocabulary and understanding complex ideas. Imagine starting your journey with simple books, perhaps narratives that you are familiar with in your own language, but now exploring them in English. This approach isn't just comforting, it's a strategic stepping stone, making the transition to English feel less daunting. As your confidence builds, elevate your reading material. Gradually introduce more challenging texts into your routine. Explore different genres, from the creativity of fiction to the factual world of non-fiction. Each style offers unique words and sentence structures, broadening your linguistic horizons. Remember, every page turned is a new opportunity to learn and grow. So pick up a book that fascinates you and dive into a new world of words. Imagine understanding every word of your favorite English song or movie. Dive into the world of English by tuning into its rhythms and dialogues. Listening isn't just about hearing sounds. It's an active engagement that sharpens your pronunciation, hones your accent, and enhances your ability to comprehend spoken English. Start with music. Lyrics in songs often use colloquial language and idiomatic expressions, providing a fun and engaging way to learn. Then switch gears to movies and TV shows. These not only expose you to varied accents, but also to cultural contexts that enrich your understanding of the language. If you find it challenging initially, don't hesitate to use subtitles. They can be a valuable tool, helping bridge the gap between spoken and written words. Podcasts and radio shows are another goldmine for learning. They can introduce you to a spectrum of topics, from casual chats to in-depth discussions, all in English. Start with topics that pique your interest to keep the learning enjoyable and sustainable. Incorporate a bit of English entertainment into your daily routine and watch your comprehension soar. Why do we sometimes forget the English we learn? It's a common hiccup in the journey of language acquisition, often stemming from the lack of consistent practice. You see, mastering English, like any skill, requires not just understanding, but regular use and engagement. Imagine English as a muscle that needs exercise. Without regular workouts, even the strongest muscles can begin to weaken. Similarly, the best way to strengthen your command of English is through frequent active use. Engaging in conversations, whether in person with study groups or through virtual language exchanges, provides real-life practice that textbooks simply can't match. Moreover, in today's digital age, language learning apps are invaluable tools. They're designed to integrate seamlessly into daily routines, allowing for practice that is both consistent and engaging. These platforms often include games, quizzes, and interactive lessons that make learning feel less like a chore and more like a fun daily activity. Remember, the key to fluency is consistency. Practice daily, even if it's just a few minutes. Feeling embarrassed about making mistakes in English? Let's turn that around. Remember, stumbling over words or mixing up tenses is just part of the learning curve. Each error is a stepping stone to better understanding and fluency. Consider this. Even native speakers are often impressed and touched by the effort it takes non-natives to speak their language. They're likely cheering for you, not judging. So next time you stumble, smile and learn from it. Your confidence will build with every mistake. Now that you have the tools to enhance your English, what's next? Let's take a moment to recap the essentials. Diving into reading exposes you to new vocabularies and expressions, enriching your linguistic arsenal. Listening, whether it's to music, podcasts or dialogues tunes your ear to the natural flow of English, helping you understand and speak it more fluently. Regular practice in speaking and writing sharpens your skills, making you more confident in your abilities. And remember, embracing your mistakes is crucial. They are stepping stones to mastery. With these strategies in hand, the key is to weave them into the fabric of your daily life. Make a habit of reading a few pages every day, listen to English during your commute, engage in conversations, and write a little every day. Each small step is a leap towards greater proficiency. Start your journey today and step by step, transform your English skills. Share your progress and inspire others. Happy learning!